Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious chicken sausage, okay? As you can see, it came out very well and was very delicious. Yeah, so guys, come along with me. So here I've already washed my chicken drumsticks, so I'll just put it in. Add 2 onions, which I've washed already. I'll add 3 bay leaves, salt to taste, and enough water to cover it because you want to cook it till very tender. So just add enough water. Approximately it took me 1 hour, okay? Yes, to cook very well. So just cover and let it cook. So here after an hour, this is it. As you can see, is well cooked and very soft. So now I'll be using chicken broth. So I'll strain out 1 cup. You can use more than that depending on the quantity that you are making. So now I'll add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch into the broth and mix together. And make sure it's not the broth is not hot. If not, it will create lumps. Okay, let it cool down before you add it in. Or you can also add 1 tablespoon of gelatin. Okay, yes. So now I'll mix it together, not to create lumps. So here I'm going to grate beetroot. That's one. I couldn't get the fresh one, so I'm using the already cooked beetroot. Okay, you can also use the fresh one, it's all the same. So now to season the chicken, I'll add in dried pepper. You can add in more depending on how you want it. Okay, I'll add in salt and squeeze in the juice of the beetroot. I will now add in the broth that I mixed with the cornstarch and blend. So yeah, this is it. Blend till it turn paste. So I'll be using bottle, that's water bottle that I cut. So I'll be putting everything in. The bottle is not full, so I cut the edges. So now I'm going to cover it with foil paper. That's the aluminium foil paper. So I will leave it in a freezer to freeze for 7 to 8 hours. So now after 8 hours, this is it. I will gently cut the bottle this way, so it will be easy to come out. So now this is the outcome of the sausage. As you can see, guys, it tasted so delicious. I hope you enjoy it. Try it, don't hesitate, please enjoy it with me. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye.